I want to share with you a premium website that I built inside HighLevel's AI Studio. And guess what? It's 100% built with this AI tool that HighLevel has. And this looks absolutely stunning. If you don't know about me, my name is Pritam. I run a HighLevel funnel website and agency who build marketing website funnels, landing pages, automation, and help my clients with entire marketing strategy as to exactly what they should be doing with our services. Now, this is exactly what we do. If you go to freedomhunter.com, you'll be able to see everything here and schedule a free call, because if you are an agency, you absolutely need these kinds of websites and funnels in order for yourself to grow your business or to sell it as a done for you service to your business, because we also do high level white label services as part of our agency team, right? So what exactly I do here is, and I'll just show it to you, this is an absolutely stunning website. Now, a lot of you have already building these kinds of or similar kind of websites inside the normal page builder. And I'll exactly show you as to why you should be switching or consider moving some of the projects inside the HighLevel AI Studio, as well as the normal page builder. So I'll show you real quick here. Let me quickly refresh this entire page so that you can get a direct view of this. And this is the entire look and feel of a marketing website of the hero section. As you can see on the left hand side here, we have the logo. We have this multi-page effect here. And guess what? These kind of effects that you see on this website is not possible on the normal page builder. You still can create really stunning, attractive website funnels or landing pages, but still, HighLevel AI Studio has got no limitations because of its back and forth capabilities, where you do not have to drag and drop, rather you communicate in terms of your creative direction that you need to provide in order to get the best quality possible. A lot of you have been creating simple pages, simple websites, simple funnels inside the AI Studio, and you think that's what it can do. But actually, let me tell you one thing, it's not the case. It all depends on the creative direction that you're able to provide it. And the better the creative direction is, the better it's going to quality. And my projects are testimony all of that. Let me show you this particular page here, like services, portfolio, our blog, contact. It's kind of beautiful, small effects. Like this is what premiumness is all about, isn't it? If you ever sold a website for a similar kind of service to your clients, you absolutely know for that fact that quality is in the detailing, right? Anybody can create a page on the internet, but it takes a lot to create a professional, modern, high converting, authoritative, value driven website or a funnel or landing page, which can drive results, attract key target audiences, and help you grow your brand online. If that's the target market you want to focus on, if you are among those businesses who wants to be part of those target market, you absolutely need to build something like this. Like these kind of efforts, like the logo, same colors, the logos that are trusted by businesses worldwide. I used to create these as custom folded operations inside a normal page builder, but now with our clear guided creative direction to the AI Studio, it is able to build these kind of professional quality. By the way, let me quickly load this section again, and I'll show you how beautiful this section, this layout is all about. Because hey, if you have understanding about UI and UX, you know about what a conversion is all about. How can you get people to hook to your website or landing pages? You absolutely know that this just makes it look way professional. Because hey, guess what? With the use of AI, people are now competing with limited resources to the best of the best on the internet. And if you are to do so, you cannot just be limited to your basic website that you've built inside the HighLevel AI Studio. You have to learn, implement, or hire somebody in order to get these kind of professional quality pages done. Like, and this could be a really big website, but it's already is, by the way. It is a multi-page website that I've built, and this is compatible with desktop, tablet, and even mobile devices, right? Which in earlier cases, the normal page builder, we had only desktop and mobile, but now we also have the ability to do all of this in the mobile version. And this is amazing and outstanding. I will market and rate it way better than Lovable. A lot of you guys are already building on Lovable, but I'll highly recommend you start doing it in the AI Studio, because this kind of quality is outstanding, right? I have no words for it. It's outstanding. It's easily changeable. So you don't have to get into a condition where you're like, oh, wow, this looks nice, but how do I change it? You change it with simple directed prompts. And look at every single page that I'm showing you. This looks absolutely stunning. And all these, what you see, are buttons literally, but they do not look like buttons because they have a hover effect. But you could literally go to a certain page if you just create it at the back end. And like this, I have created websites for over like 20 pages, right? And looks amazing, fantastic. The branding, the layout, the consistency is proper. And that's the reason why I normally recommend my clients now that if they want to have a really good project, a really good build, you should go with the AI Studio. Because as somebody who has specialization expertise into the AI Studio as well as the normal page builder, right? our vision is not limited to the normal drag and drop. Our vision is based on the international level standards that people will charge you for like 5, 10 grand for a website or for a landing page to build. Whether we could do this probably at 1,000, 2,000, $3,000, which is mind-boggling because we support you with not only the AI studio websites or landing pages, form creation, the survey, the contact creation, the CRM, pipeline, funnels, automations, calendar creation, email setup, literally domain setup, literally everything that you can possibly think of, so that you do not have to hire people which, you know, have not so much experience in. I won't get into that, but just my experience of running my agents for the last 5 years with high level, being high level certified admin, not just that, worked with over 100 plus clients across 12 plus countries. And I could tell you, this is good quality work. Simple, sweet animation now takes your website. I mean, if earlier I could see a website built on high level, and I could really say, okay, this is built on high level because I could really tell the the limitations, which is overall seen everywhere. But with this, nobody could literally tell me this is built on high level, because that's what AI is enabling people like us who know what they are building to build it for people like you, so that you can sell it at an international standard. And guess what? When there are 10 businesses approaching a client with similar set of services, the most professional, the most quality, and the most value for money is going to get that deal. There's nothing strange about it, right? And that's exactly what you get when you're working with us. And by the way, this is what my page is. Go over to pritamhar.com. The link should be in the comment box or description. Go ahead and check it out. Let me know if there's anything you have any questions about it in the comment section. You can also join our free high-level lab community. This is like an AI community that I'm building. It will provide with training, snapshot, tutorials, resources, everything I possibly get inside my high-level journey. And guess what? Here we already have 277 people joining in. Not just that, you have a lot of training resources. For example, you have recently uploaded resources, account setup, AI studio templates, AI prompts, coaching session recordings, and access to our premium community if you want to get 10x of our services and support as part of the community resource. We also conduct multiple sessions every single week, every single month. So if you want to join in and be a part of a growing community that helps you learn, discover about high level and how to make the most of it, this is the community to join in. That's pretty much regarding me selling about everything. I don't really need to sell it because the quality just speaks for itself. Thank you so much for watching the video, ladies and gentlemen. If let me know if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer it in the comment section.